What's going on, fellas? Well, today we are gonna replace the power steering fluid. Way to do that, just in case you guys don't know, there's a filter right here, and the way you do that is you come down here and you undo this bolt right here and just drain it out. It takes 4 quarts, so I'm gonna use this wrench to undo that one, and then I got that gallon so the oil can go into there. So it's not hard, it's real easy. Let me get to it. What's going on, fellas? So today we're gonna drain the power steering fluid. Driver's complaining that it's squeaking, and he checked the power steering fluid and he says it's dirty, so I'm gonna swap it out. It takes 4 quarts, so I'm gonna use this wrench to drain it. Not hard, it's real easy. Just gotta have one of these to drain your oil into. Let's see if we can catch it. First, take this off, that way air will flow through it. It doesn't look dirty, but the driver says it's squeaking, so you see it draining, honey? Mm-hmm. Yep. So we took this bolt off. And we just let it drain, fellas. We just let it drain, and
Don't you loosen up?
no, that's enough air right there. I think the driver's seeing things because
It don't look dirty at all.
it doesn't look dirty at all. But sometimes we just have to please the drivers. So, and the guy that drives this truck, he's a pretty good guy. He's a driver slash mechanic, so a real good driver in this truck that we have right now. So I'm just gonna take his word for it and just swap it out, because he knows what he's talking about. I don't. I'm just a wannabe. Right, honey?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Oops. Oops. Oh.
Never looks like coffee.
Yeah.
There's still a lot in there.
putting the transmission fluid into the power steering fluid. My understanding, it takes 4 quarts, so what you have to do is because once this little container gets full, we might have to turn the truck on and then turn the wheel. That way it'll go in through the whole system. It's an easy job. 20 minutes tops. It's not hard. So as you guys can see, it already maxed out. So now we have to turn the truck and just turn the steering wheel back and forth, and then put the rest of the fluid in there. So we're gonna turn the truck on and do that. Go ahead and put it, man.